up, y'all? We back at it again with the back at it again. But this time, got a little treat in store for y'all. This is a 3-part series. This is a 3-part series. I will be showing you how to wash your hair, get that nasty, gucky, yucky stuff off your lace, which does cause it to stink, smell like nasty Cheetos, Fritos, all the stuff you get in between your toes when you had socks on too long, but we don't do that. We don't do that. But yeah, subscribe, cut that bell on, alright? Now, let's get into this video. We're going from this to this. Let's jump right in. The first thing I like to do is I like to apply lukewarm water to my frontal. We're going to take the shampoo of our choice and we're going to apply that to the lace part of our frontal. Then we're going to begin to massage it in with our fingers of the old makeup, hair gel, and any other things we may have in there. We are going to run water over the lace. By doing it this way, we're going to wash away all of the dirt from the lace. Here I'm showing you all that as we wring the water from the hair, all of the dirt and makeup did come out of the frontal. Alright, now we're going to begin cleaning our wig. After saturating the hair with water, we are now going to apply the conditioner of our choice. Just gonna brush that through to remove all of the dirt from the hair. To clean the hair even more, we are going to apply conditioner to our frontal, massage it in with our fingertips to loosen up more of that dirt. After we do that, we are then going to rinse our hair out with lukewarm water to remove all of the dirt. Now that we have rinsed out all of the dirt and makeup, we are going to then apply more of the conditioner for a deep condition. We're going to take our Denman brush and brush our hair through. By doing so, this will leave our hair silky and refreshed. After letting our hair sit for 5 minutes, we're going to go ahead and rinse out all of that conditioner, but this time we're going to rinse it out with cold water. By doing so, we close up the pores of the hair, which leaves the hair nice and silky. As you all can see in this clip, we have no more dirt, makeup, or glue on our frontal. Thank you all for watching part 1 of my tutorial. Please be sure to stay tuned for part 2. Please promise me, y'all, that you will not wash your hair with Dawn dish detergent. Dish detergent. If Dawn is proud to say how they get oil out of a duck, what you think they're gonna do to your hair? If they can suck oil out of a duck, I'm pretty sure they can suck oil out your hair. I'm sure they're gonna leave your hair brittle, dry. Hey, horse. Okay, let's not do that. Let's not soak our hair with fabric softener. Like fabric softener, where we get that from? And I know what y'all saying. Why not? It make my cover feel good. Shut up. Shut up. It's for fabric.
Attention, fabric softener is not intended for hair. If you or a loved one suffer from dry, brittle hair due to fabric softener, you may be eligible for compensation. Contact your local law firm today. Call now, 1-800-BAD-IDEA.